Hello everyone. Today let me discuss about the Amazon frauds. Okay. So what is the fraud exactly? How the fraud are committed? It is a creative way to manipulate human mind, right? So people try to manipulate human brain. So what exactly is phishing? In short, to catch a fish in river, we do fishing. We catch human being in cyberspace, right? It is the easiest way to hack because hacking a brain is much easier than hacking a technology. So now there are fake sellers which are registered in Amazon. Amazon tried their best to remove this seller, but still there are some who give a heavy discount and they never deliver the product. There are other like gift card, job offer, or email hacking and all this. Gift card scams are very common and people are given a big discount, and the greedy people or the people who want best offer, they opt for this type of offers, and then they fall into it. They have clearly mentioned here that Amazon gift card can be used only on Amazon and it cannot be used anywhere else. And if somebody is giving offer that you can use this gift card in some platform or somewhere, that is completely a fraud and nobody should accept. They will be so professional to talk to you over the phone or over the email. It looks genuine, but you don't trust it. Please don't trust. There are Amazon job offers, and if you opt for these job offers, then they will take your again. They will take the money in the name of registration fees or application fees or so many other options they have. Okay, so they will try to get all your money. So Amazon is saying that you don't trust that type of thing. If you really want a job in Amazon and if you want to follow up, then you please simply come to this website amazon.com/jobs. Okay. Some of the messages that may come to you that you have won this much of information. Okay, that much of gift card, $1,000 gift card is reserved for you, and all this. So they are Amazon is clarifying that they never send you unsolicited emails that ask you sensitive informations or any other card details or CVV numbers or any other which is sensitive, okay, which you should not reveal to anybody. Some of the offers may come that you can review the Amazon's seller. They never give this type of offers and they never give this type of compensations. Okay, so this there may be this basically a emails which coming to you. So this type of emails delivered via emails. So this is you should not trust. Okay, everybody, there are many manufacturers who are smart enough to remain there despite the effort from Amazon. They are not able to remove them. Because of this, okay, they requesting this buyer like us. They are saying that we should always see the feedback and the review, and then only we should trust. Okay, and we should place the order because the some of the people they may give you 90% offer, but they will not give you a genuine product, and they may give you 90% offer and they may not deliver you the product, and even if they deliver, the product is something different of the same weight or size. It is very easy for them to convince people. So better don't trust. Keep in mind that you are not supposed to share any sensitive information to any of these people, right? Emails, if in case of emails, if this type of emails are coming, you should immediately delete it. Never respond. Okay, from responding to this, to protect yourself from responding to this email and sensitive informations, you can follow a few simple steps. Amazon.com will never ask you for informations like account detail, credit card, PIN card, credit card security code, including updates and any one of this. In case of even if you are receiving an email repeated and then you feel like that is a genuine, then you should at least verify that Amazon.com or Amazon.in is written there. Should not be like this. Amazon security @hotmail.com. This is completely a fraud. Amazon payment @amazon.com. It may contain any domain, but you should not trust. You should only trust Amazon.com and Amazon.in. We should not trust any other information which are there. Yeah, after this also, if you are not able to identify, then you should make a generic rule that whenever you get this type of call, you should be cautious and wise. Okay, you should always think that this is a fraud. Even if the genuine person is there, you should think it is a fraud, and then you should behave accordingly. You should never reveal your date of birth, okay, your maiden name, your pet name, and other things, because this may be your security questions. If you are keeping this type of security question, you should change your security questions also, and you should never reveal the information. Or if by chance something happened to you, you should immediately report to your nearest police station and also to Amazon in the Amazon website using the contact us form. Okay. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, this is only for cyber safety awareness, so you can follow us, subscribe us. Thank you so much.